Hello everyone, this is just a quick tutorial on how to buy coins on Phantom. So this is the Phantom wallet, very straightforward. Dix is a decentralized exchange. So firstly, you're going to need Solana. So you're going to have to buy Solana on another exchange and send it here. So you can buy on Bybit. The minimum you can send for Solana on Bybit is plus minus $40. If you're sending less than $40, it is advisable to use another exchange. For those in South Africa, you can use Valar. If you're not in South Africa, you can either use KuCoin, Binance, whatever the exchange may be. But once the Solana is in your Phantom wallet, it's going to appear here. So this is the procedure that you take so you can actually buy coins on Phantom. So you're going to click on the bottom right corner. Once you've clicked on the bottom right corner, it's going to bring you to this page. It's called sites. It's going to bring you to this sites page. Now, we're going to be using Jupiter. In some instances, there is also some coins are on Radium. So I usually use Jupiter, but you can also use Radium. So in this tutorial, we're going to use Jupiter. You just click on Jupiter and it's going to bring you here. Once you are here, if it's the first time you are using Jupiter, you're going to have to connect your wallet first. So where it is written enter an amount, you're going to click there and you're going to connect your wallet to Jupiter. You're going to connect your Phantom wallet to Jupiter. So you're going to click on connect wallet and click on Phantom. It's going to connect your Phantom wallet with Jupiter. Then you're going to click on the two arrows in the middle. You're going to be paying in Solana for a specific coin. So you're going to be paying in Solana. So Solana, paying with Solana. Now, once it is like this, you're going to need the contract address. The contract address is the identity of that specific coin you want to buy. So you're going to quickly go to your contract address and you're going to copy that contract address. You're going to copy that contract address. Once you're back on Phantom, you're going to click on USDC. Then you're going to paste the address at the very top. Paste the address. Then it's going to search for the coin. The coin will come up. Once the coin is here, you're simply going to click on the picture on the far left. Don't click on the address. It will take you to another website. Then you have to come back and follow the steps again. You're going to click on the picture on the far left. Once you've clicked on the picture, it's going to appear like this. So if you want to use all of the Solana that you have to buy the coin, you're just going to click on max and it's going to take a specific fee. If you want to use less than half, you want to click on half. Then you can simply move this and edit. As you can see, it's 0.03. I can change it to 0.02. Now it's $3. 0.01. Now it's only $2. So whatever amount that you want to spend on the coin, you can simply just come and edit the number until you get the amount that you want. So once you've done that, you're going to click on swap. You're going to click on swap. It's pending approval. Waiting to sign in wallet. Then you're going to confirm. Processing transaction. And at the end of that, it's going to say transaction confirmed. Transaction confirmed. So if you go back to your home wallet, just quickly refresh and you will see that it will increase the amount for the coin that you are buying. So you just need the contract address. You can use Jupiter. Radium is also the same. Radium is also the same. I'm going to show you quickly on Radium. Radium is also the same. Same procedure. You're going to connect your wallet, connect your Phantom wallet. If you've never used it before, then you're going to be paying from your Solana wallet. Then you're just going to paste the contract address at the very top. It's going to search and the coin will appear here at the bottom. Unfortunately, on Radium, as you can see, the token picture and the name of the coin does not appear. If it's a new coin, it does not appear. So that is one of the reasons why I usually use Jupiter. So every single transaction that you make on Phantom, you need to have Solana. So even if you're going to be swapping back to Solana so you can transfer to your wallet and withdraw, let's say you're taking profits, you need to have Solana in your wallet. So it is important that you always have plus minus $2-3 worth of Solana so you can always process transactions. You cannot process transactions on Phantom without Solana. If you run out of Solana on your Phantom wallet, you're going to have to deposit again before you can withdraw. So every single, you pay your fees in Solana. So the fees are very, very low, 1 to 2 cents, 3 cents, very, very low fees, but you need Solana at the end of the day. So yeah, that is the tutorial on how to buy meme coins on Solana, using Phantom and Jupiter. Very, very straightforward and simple process. Thank you.